moving kind of southeast. So, oh, you see power slash? There's a power flash. There's no lightning. That could have been.
Oh yep.
Dude.
Yep.
Okay, pull up there a little bit. There could be a tornado on the ground over there. Just see 2 power flashes.
We should report this in. I'll do it on Facebook.
Hold up, Josh. Get a little closer. Let's see what we can see.
All right.
Look.
Wait, see.
I think I can see it on the camera.
Funnel. I can see the
It's
funnel.
right there. It's right there, Josh. It's right there.
Should I stop right here?
No. All right. Go. Yes. There it is.
There it is. We gotta report this.
It's on the ground right there.
Tornado on the
Cone
ground.
tornado on the ground.
Phone number.
I don't have it. Okay, be careful. It's in the rain.
All right. We gotta. It's coming out now.
We can't go too far because it's coming southeast. It's going that way.
Okay.
Keep going. You need to get a view. Keep going.
I'm gonna take them off Facebook.
Yeah.
There's the rain.
Right there.
Yeah. It's like.
Oh wait, go up there. Go up there.
There's debris. I see debris floating around.
Do you?
Yep.
Okay, keep going. Pull over right up here.
Okay, I gotta take this.
It's right there. Oh yeah, I see debris. Now there's debris in there.
Here's the road, I think.
Yeah. Take a left. It's tornado warning now.
Okay, confirmed. We gotta confirm this.
It's confirmed. Or not the one. What's this guy doing? Really? Alright, be careful, Josh. Be careful. It's hard to see it. It could be right here. Oh, it is right there. See the debris in there?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at that.
Here. We can shoot out the window here.
Okay.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going.
Here, get out the window right here.
Oh my god.
Multi-vortex.
Keep going, Josh. Keep going. We need to stay in this road. Alright.
Yeah. Power poles are leaning.
Yeah, power poles are bent. That's where it crossed there. Shit, we need to get out of there, right? Yeah. Bent power poles. We just need to floor it and then go back south.
Right.
Oh yeah. Yeah, power lines are bent here. Oh, it snapped.
Yeah, it snapped right off. Oh, look at the sign twist.
Oh yeah, the sign twist.
Debris in the field right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this
hit something.
Yeah, it's a piece of sheet metal there.
Hit a shed.
Yeah, got some damage.
Look at the corn is flat.